What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making smoked meatloaf. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So I'm about to go ahead and go over the ingredients for your smoked meatloaf. You're going to need you one bell pepper. You're going to need you one medium to large onion. You're going to need to get you some type of barbecue dry rub. Either you can make your own, you can buy some. If you can't find none, all grocery stores got this. Use Tony Satcheries. This will work just fine. Gonna need you some breadcrumbs or some bread, 2 eggs. I'm using barbecue sauce. This is out of South Carolina. You can use whichever barbecue sauce you want, or you can use ketchup. Don't matter. You're gonna need you some W sauce, half a cup of milk. You're gonna need you some pork sausage and 2 pounds of beef chuck. This is 80-20. I got some minced garlic, and I'm be using this. This is all you need, $1.25. You can go out and get all 15 of these seasonings and spend $30, or you can just buy this. This is $1.25. I'm trying to save money. I'm trying to save you money. That's all you need. So I'm just gonna work with this because we've been making this for years and it's been working. So once again, if you want to go out and buy parsley, brown sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, celery seed, mustards, all them different type of seasonings, go ahead and do it. It's gonna come out the same. So I'm trying to save you money. $1.25, all grocery stores. So let's put all this together. Hey, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, welcome back. So we're gonna go ahead and put all this together. I already done put the ground meats in a bowl for you. Try to speed this up. I already done cut onions and the green peppers. So all you gotta do is just mix all this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the milk, minced garlic, the onions and the green peppers, your 2 eggs, 1 cup breadcrumbs, your meatloaf seasonings, a little bit of that dry rub. We ain't gonna put a lot in now. Just dab it up. Put some of that W sauce in there. And we're gonna put that barbecue sauce in there. Feel free to use ketchup if you like. All right, y'all, just mix it all up. All right, y'all, I got everything mixed up in the bowl. What I got right here is a meatloaf pan. I put some saran wrap in it. We're gonna go ahead and put the meatloaf in the pan. I'm gonna put it in the freezer while I'm getting the smoker ready. And that's it.
This is easy.
All right, and all you want to do is just cover it up. Put it in the freezer. Be right back. All right, y'all, I just went ahead and took the meatloaf off the freezer. We're gonna go ahead and take it out, lay it on the cooking rack. All right, I got it on the cooking tray. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a binder on it. I'm gonna put some of that barbecue sauce, and then we're gonna cover it with rub. I'm not gonna put too much on there. Gonna start off right there. We're gonna rub it all the way around. Just enough to get the rub to stick to it. All right, now that you got it covered up with barbecue sauce, take some of that rub, go all the way around. Go ahead and get the sides. All right, that's pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and take it on the smoker. Be right back. All right, y'all, I'm outside by the smoker. Gonna go ahead and sit it in here. Smack in the middle. I got it set on 275. We're looking for internal temperature of 160. After about 30 minutes, I'm gonna stick my probe in and I'm gonna keep track of it. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's been about an hour. We're gonna go ahead and check on it, see what it looks like. Okay, after about an hour, this is what it shit looks like. Look at that. About 30 minutes ago, I went ahead and put the probe in. Right now, we sitting at 88 degrees, so we still got a while to get to before we get to 160. Probably when it hits about 150, I'll go ahead and glaze it, and then we're gonna finish doing the cooking. All right, be right back.
Few minutes later.
All right, you guys, the timer went off. It's been exactly 2 hours. When I checked the temp, it was at 156. So right now, it's time to open the smoker. We're gonna go ahead and glaze it. Just like that. All right, that's it. Close this back up. Wait probably about 15 minutes till it reaches 160. We're gonna pull it off. Be back in a minute. All right, y'all, our temps at 160. I went ahead and took that mug out. Hey, this what it looked like fresh off that smoker. Smoked meatloaf. Hey, ain't nothing else to do now but eat. I got some mashed potatoes and gravy in here, some macaroni and cheese, and some corn. Man, we finna throw down. Man, I appreciate every single one of y'all. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe. Hey, my name is Trey. This is Mastablendz. I'm out.